Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka kanhun yelekai football na kani ke Jilla Meghalaya ke School H. Elias Higher Secondary School ke padana nong Shiliang nong Thamai Shillong hadien bakalayora ya kanam ladu ha kelempung under 17 Subroto Cup arajar khat kendai ha ka arpo tarik mentau nailor arajar khat kendai kalawan pai yeng no kani ke kanhun ha kani ke sngi kalawan pai da ka lengsun bar kalapoi ha ka kat lengsun ha gohati ha ka Porsche post tengmen step ban ai kublai kerpang ya kani ke kanhun ke balawan raknam ya ke Jilla Meghalaya na kaliang katanat Sports and Youth Affairs jong ke Sarkar Jilla hapo ke jingelam jong ke Director ke Kong Wanri AM Booth kila hiar sya Guwahati Airport ban pediang buram kendit yaki kena jong kani ke kanhun lasdang ya ke jingpen kup buram ya kani ke kanhun da ke ba ai ya barok kirang yelekai dau sentiu kulap bar ke jing ai kublai da ki officer bat kinong tre jong katanat Sports and Youth Affairs. Hadien ke jingelang le buram ke pelengkot habar jong ke kat lengsun ke bah Guwahati kani ke kanhun kalawan pai no senong ba Shillong bat ondala poi hajan ke jaka dia kali banalari world cars ke kanhun jong ginong nya tuk tuk kala ap lepa hagani ke jaka ban pediang buram ya kani ke kanhun bat ke bala senran pat yakini kirang yelak kai hapok ke jingelam jong coach uba Bobby L Nongbet haduk banapoi ha ke School H. Elias Higher Secondary School. Onda lapoi ha school ru ginong penya jong ani ke school rengkat kino hikai bat ki khna kila ap lepa ban pediang buram ya kani ke kanhun ha ka rukom kepala penkre janai bha ha ka jing pediang buram ha po school laidon rengkat langru u menteri sarkar bakhmi ya katanat Sports and Youth Affairs u ba bantai dor lengdo u MLA kanong Thamai constituency u ba Charles Pengrop u principal jong ani ke school u Father Sebastian Palati bat giwe kumban syukudau hang ni ha ka jing khun ka bakhat do ban yakni ya ka nam la do ha ka lumpung Subrata Cup arjar khat khandai ha ka under 17 ka kunhun jong H Elias Higher Secondary School Shillong ka la penlim ya ka kunhun Bangladesh Krira Shiksha Portishan da shigo lanot kani ka kunhun nari Bangladesh kala yora ya ka nam la do haus nem arjar khat pra Menta ka kenti ka kanhon ka pelayor ra ya ka nam la do ha kane ka jinya kop nalor ka trofi bat kitakma syakirang ilakai kala yo khusnam ru da ka pisa saulak tengka katba ka bawan baar kala yo arlak san pawajar tengka ka H Elias Higher Secondary School ha kane ka lempung kala yo ru ya ka nam best school rengkat ka pisa ka ba arpusan hajar tengka katba usan kit janai syanglong ubala yo tep ya ka gol ha kane ka sngi ula yo ya ka nam best player but one lang malnyang ulayo ya kanam best goalkeeper kibalayo ya ka khusnam rengkat ka song pisa ka ba marsan pho hajar tengka katba uba Bobby L Nongbet ulayo ya kanam best coach rengkat ka khusnam bat ka pisa khatsan hajar tengka
and Leonard Lotfi River. Kami teman kawan, Trinity Taran, and Silver Number. And Benjamin Jimbo. We also have the manager of the team. The cash worth of 50,000. For leading our team. $25,000. And the amount to be given for this is 4 lakhs.
Kalau ke baik bah namar ga cingset bat stay bat sini kalau la ayap hair bah saya kenduk bagi tim ke baik baik bat kum na kari Bangladesh kum na kimi salam Charkhan railway tim kalau baklan bah ngila komen menta bangila job ini tournament bangin kimi ti bangin ya Syahman bangin job bangin ra banam buram ya kan ke state cungi kum ha junior menta bat ki ha senior hadina bod Tengi kumpnia sekolah H na namar ngi dade praktis ngila ban join sekolah tu da gila long dan praktis ngila ban pep ngi pulih hadin dari wan praktis kat
Sya bagin mi nang ni napok jelahi ngila yo por wabiang ha ban khre nduna ka sibnai tam bat ngai ro ye director baila ila ngi dengan khre sani bahai ni tim kan de ini jingirap iba ngiot train sibnai tamru ade ka jingirap khlawai ngi lai man laus nam nadu alja khatsau la kani ka tournament ka long ka international tournament mar ki teams ki job ro ki ade be ki foreign teams te tingi pat ngilang hata ka jik khre ngilang bangin nginia le khun pat sa Delhi krang bangin la ban job ka thong ha ju ka por ngila suthu ba ka tournament hi kan lang ba jot bhan mar ba kini snam adab kira be ki teams banabar bat ha ju ka por ngilaya berkreat buat ngilap sotoi kena ba nginya linti ba kawai ke match ngin sim wi match at the time buat ngin persang push man mandala push buat sakin knock out menginya ikon mat un sim man poi ke tim sak final ti ha juga por ngitip sai ba kedinga tournament kalong ba ba nomor ba khasong kalong ha por ba berkhot ki tim berkhot ki hon lagi we school na we ki army school ki foreign teams ki sports authority of India ki teams ki along ki bapin kriat supa lupa berkhot pada ha juga por ngitip sai ba ba nrengi khamdu jekrimen bat ngiai tristom bat ngilawan poi sini kathong naduk ka district level rung la yo ba coaching camp naduk ka state level rung la yo ba coaching camp ki ka rombam romdi ka rom penbiang ka jakasa bal khat hila kalang biang sudah mahadu bangin mi nang ni rung la mi ka buram la ila ada send off na po office yang directorate bangi la kaban sya ba kani ka jingirap ka jing itu yang ni kinong ila ka jong ka jela kalong ka ba snap ha Romi khwat antara Jalal Zong.
It has been a dream since many years to bring back the cup home because we are the second Don Bosco school. This is a Don Bosco school. Second Don Bosco school Meghalaya to bring after St. Anthony's, after late Father K.V. George. And so it's a matter of pride and honor to be in HLAS today. We start early. We select students much early. We start from lower class onwards. We got a strong under 14 will come to under 17, and so we have a strong selection way of selecting our players. We have got a very simple education policy, a policy where sports policy by which students enjoy both studies and sports. They are in Delhi, you go to Delhi and you get first division marks as long as they appear for exams. So that we have. So simple sports policy also helps the parents, so that nobody is worried about. We make sports as not extracurricular but a co-curricular activity. I think that's the success of our school. The sports is a way of living. Many of our boys get into job quickly. Sports is not extracurricular but a co-curricular. It has to be part of the curriculum. We do it here in our school. The moment they appear for any sports activity, they get a mark here. Our staff, they continue supporting them, helping them not only in sports, also academics. So they are no worry about their academics. Coach is excellent. We got a number of coaches. Mr. Bobby Rongbet. He is actually my boy from St. Anthony's School. I had taken him in 1994 to Subrato, to Delhi for Subrato Cup. He was a goalkeeper. We have players in, we have Milan, number of coaches, number of people in the sports department, sports fraternity who are very helpful to us, very supportive.
Kupau yang jing dokumen, mengadap dengan jing dokumen sisa, bagi lawan rak berom yang ke school, bagi state hibro kawai. Nadu terus ni, ngaladon lang ringkat apa Delhi, but syaban sedang ke match, ngalayo ban ai kublai ban kitbok kitwang iki, bagi niyo ke jing job, but ngasukumen bagi layo ke jing job, but kani ke long ke ish benta ke di ke jing job ke bakrau ke jela ke jongi ke bat khamtam ke ni ke school. Langsung ban ai kublai kerpang principal jong school Father Sebastian kumju ki supporting staff khamtam ye ka team bro kawai ki khana ilakai ki coach ki staff ki baidon ringkat lang ban lech po ban shimenta po Delhi but nasngo bagani ka long ke jing job ka bangi I shisha ba ka football kumangi ong ka di ka number 1 sport po ka jela jungi kala nang kiyo siprang but nakaliang ka government ngilang dang shimkhia ngilang peniaj pini iling ba ki bun ki ba ngi sha pelong ki tournament ki paper but khamtam ngangai skam bang nang la ban promote football but kiwe da ki discipline bede ba sport ha jela jungi pro ko wai ngada sngu comment shikade bang ayo ban yadon lang an ke ski ban receive yaki bakila position ni support school but kalong ke ka ban kaliang ka government kat sapan baik ban sapan kre ban facilitate ke facilitation program naga benda jong kini ki khun samla jongi ki bonra ai ka brom ka bakrau ya ka jela jongi bro wai nga ka ai ka banga kwa banong ipin ni kalong baka sports kadika wei naga benda ka ban kentiu shai ka jela ka jongi khamtam ki khun samla jongi ki khna jongi ki badon ki sab ki baper ti deina ta ka daw baka government ka jongi hau banai jun fikan mau trai ubenai Jun atau senem ngidang dep ban approve ya ka sports policy sports policy ke digawai ke banang la ban kentiu ban saindur ki kami le kai ki boper apa jella ke jongi handrai ngana kaliang ke jonga pat kum sports minister ngada shimkhia ban nginda pet shisha ya barok ki jaj jingile kai ki disiplin manginang la ban kentiu mdai dang football no fi bat ki ngi ba sap ke bagidan ki khon samla jongi pet ke boxing manakani ngadang dap ai ke ring Syaki nak kalian ke department jungi amangi i bagani ke kontak game lu ke wei ke balak banirap syak ke karate ke boxing ke muay thai ki bun ki jing lakai bat ki wei disiplin ndai ba ong bangin kelat no handringin persangkat balak ban kentiu lang ki wei lingba ke jingi trailang bat ki sports association ki badan apa bajela ke jungi